Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo ThinkSmart Core Generation 2 first AI optimized compute device purpose build. So friend, the Lenovo has introduced the Intel Core Ultra processor with integrated NPU. ThinkSmart Core Generation 2 is ready for AI heavy meeting room workload to deliver unparalleled performance for initiative collaboration and enhanced productivity, and all-in-one protected and user-friendly solution. So, the Lenovo's vision of smarter AI for all, and the company is dedicated to empowering organization and individual to put AI to work for them. And while the role of collaboration technology has never been more critical, many customers are continuing to redefine meeting space and how work is done. And the indicated of AI into collaboration tools present a transformative opportunity to connect people and improve productivity. And the device is powered by Intel Core Ultra processor and Intel vPro platform and ThinkSmart Core Generation 2 efficiently manage heavy AI workload with up to 40% lower power consumption, and the unique NPU architecture built on Windows 11 IoT accelerate compute tasks and data transfer, optimizing AI performance and making operation more efficient, reliable, and secure, and supporting Microsoft Teams Rooms or Zoom Rooms on Windows. The ThinkSmart Core Generation to boost collaboration with AI-enabled features through Microsoft Copilot and Zoom AI Companion, and AI-enabled experience like intelligent farming to meeting participants, auto voice detection, smart name tag, meeting summaries, and real-time assistant are just some of the smart features to look forward to in the future. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.